Action News reporter Rochelle Aline explains the impact this could have on immigrants right here in the Bay Area.
We spoke with a local immigration attorney who tells us that bill would have the most benefit for local DACA recipients that were brought to the U.S. as kids. The topic of immigration.
I felt that immigrants needed an advocate, and I was happy to be able to do it.
Is deeply personal to attorney Emel Ersan.
I'm an immigrant child myself.
And she says she's been disappointed by recent news out of Washington about the DACA program, which provides some protection against deportation for immigrants brought to the U.S. as kids.
People that have DACA, they have fear, they have anxiety, they want to have an increased sense of acceptance. They want to have a sense of belonging to the community.
That's after a recent budget bill recently stalled in the Senate. It would have provided a more permanent path to citizenship for DACA recipients and other immigrants. The bill was flagged by the Senate parliamentarian who said its protections for immigrants would cost way more than the bill's sponsors budgeted for.
They could simply ignore the decision made by the parliamentarian. Now that's rare and it would be frowned upon, but a lot of Democrats are pushing for just ignoring that decision.
Ersan is now calling on Congress and the Biden administration to push immigration protections through.
As long as DACA is just some kind of floating law that can be changed with any president, there's absolutely no security.
And she says without it, a significant number of immigrants in the Tampa Bay area could be affected.
Hundreds and thousands. There's actually a lot more than people know because a lot of immigrants are laying low.
And that fear she described is very real. We had several DACA recipients turn down our request for an interview